Make sure you stay until the end. People make a common mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars, so we'll share what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpfull with you guys to any of you having a Kia or Hyundai with a GDI engine, especially if you have a 2.4 GDI and you're trying to remove or replace the fuel rail pressure sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, what needs to be done to get to it and how to replace it. And one simple mistake people make that can actually, guys, burn your electronics. So make sure you stay until the end and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information and videos to you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, okay, this is right here guys, this is the 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on. First, in order to get to the fuel rail, the direct fuel injection and all that stuff, you will need to remove your intake manifold. If you want to see a video how to remove or replace intake manifold guys on 2.4 GDI engine, the video will be on our channel. So check it out, how to remove intake manifold on 2.4 GDI engine. Number 2 guys, you will need to disconnect your car battery because you will have fuel and you want to avoid sparks. On these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. Do it the wrong way and you can cause damage to the engine, computer and the electrical system, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know that? Our own experience guys, don't ask. We spent more than $2,000 because we burned a computer like that back in the day. Now, with the car battery disconnected, intake manifold removed, work only on cold engine, avoid sparks, have fire extinguisher on the side, also have fuel resistant gloves and eye protection because it will be under enormous amount of pressure. And if you look right here, this is your fuel rail. Ours probably lost pressure because we have it removed. We removed the high pressure fuel pump for another video to show you how to replace high pressure fuel pump, but when you remove that sensor you will leak fuel, so get a rack or something or a container to collect the fuel that will leak. So disconnect, okay, now the wire, just disconnect it, get a wrench that fits that sensor, okay, and we need to get it loose. So simply, slowly, and you will start leaking fuel most likely. So be prepared guys, okay. And this is your fuel rail pressure sensor, okay, out of here. If you want to see how to test fuel rail pressure sensor and find out if it's good or bad on your car guys, we have a special video that will explain how to do that. We'll be making the video on the 2.4 GDI engine once we put the engine back in the car, and we will teach you how to do that. For any of you that want to know more about the diagnostics tool that we use, I forgot about that. Many ask me in the comment section below. This is the tool guys, it's an amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai and Kia is right here, so check it out, okay. I'll put the link if you want to check the current price and features. So that's how you guys remove it, putting it together practically in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want to see where to get one from, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.